Hey guys, it's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am unboxing a limited edition box by GLOSSYBOX. Now the edition is for Bareminerals, as you can see. So they do the normal monthly subscription box and then do limited edition boxes. They are £25 for subscribers or £30 for non-subscribers. This came out Tuesday the 24th. I think at 1 p.m, but I was able to still get it at 6 p.m, so they made a lot more of them this time around. I do know we have 5 products in this box, and that some of them are full sizes and some of them are deluxe minis. I haven't really got a lot of Baremineral things like full sizes. I've got loads of little ones from advent calendars and that, but not full size, so I'm excited to see what they're like. I have tried a couple things from Bareminerals. I tried I think it's Good Time primer. I do like the Good Time primer, and I think we actually have a full size in the box, so I'm really excited to open it up and see what else we have. So I'm going to put everything that you need to know about this box in the description box, and also leave a link to their website in the description box as well for you guys go and check it out. You might just want to do a monthly subscription or check out some in the future limited edition boxes. So you guys can see the front packaging of the box. It says Bareminerals, the power of good, and it's got like the skies on the box all the way around, and then it's got GLOSSYBOX in white on the side. It's very simple, but it is stunning still. I do like the picture of the sky. So when you open the box up, you've got Bareminerals, the power of good, creators of clean beauty in the actual lid. Again, it's very simple colours, not over the top. You do get a description card in every single box, and also the limited edition boxes. It just has basically all the information that you need about the products and a little bit about the box. So I'm just going to read what this box is about. So it says, hey Glossies, are you ready to reclaim your summer glow? We partner with clean beauty brand Bareminerals to help you get your sun-kissed radiance back. Inside your limited edition, you'll find all the must-have makeup and skincare products you'll need to make your whole complexion look dewy and radiant. Better yet, they're all filled with natural, good-for-you ingredients. Use your serum and primer to create your shimmer-enhancing base, then apply a touch of bronzer and highlighter to build your iridescent glow before finishing off the look with a few lashings of volumizing mascara. Your illuminescent complexion awaits. So it already tells you what kind of products we're obviously going to get in this box, so by that we can already tell what's going to be in it. But I'm going to put it to a side so I'm not looking at it properly, and then we are going to open up the box. So of course you just open it up by the little bow and then just take the sticker off. Here's the first sneak into the box. You can definitely tell it is jam-packed with lots of products. I'm going to put it onto the side and pick out the first product to unbox and see what we have. The first item I've picked out is Prime Time Original Foundation Primer, and this is a 30ml bottle, so it's a full-size product. And I have actually used this before and it's really good. I love it. It just smooths your whole skin out, ready for your base. So it says, experience your most flawless foundation application. Prime Time Original Foundation Primer smooths away dryness, the look of fine lines, excess oil, the appearance of enlarged pores and uneven textures. Our mineral infused formula glides on seamlessly, helping to extend the wear of your foundation. Great for all skin types. Apply a thin, even layer all over face. Once dry, follow with the Bareminerals foundation. So this actually does smooth away dryness and fill in large pores. That's the first thing I noticed when I used it, when I had it before, that it just made it all like one surface basically. It was just amazing. I did actually want to order another one after I used the other one up, but I believe it is expensive. I think it's in the £20 range for 30ml, so it's a little bit expensive and I just didn't get the time to buy it, and now I've got another one. Yay! So this is what the packaging of the bottle looks like. It's very simple. It's just a white bottle with black writing on. It's got a squeezy top, which I love. I do love a squeezy top. And then the primer itself is clear and more of a gel base. It is so smooth. It does feel a little bit like silicone, but it is so smooth and it just glides on and smooths your skin out. It's so good. It is so good. I've forgotten how nice it feels on the skin, but it's just so smooth and it just glides on. So Prime Time Foundation Primer. Your glow will last even longer thanks to this soothing mineral based primer. Blending plant extracts, antioxidants and vitamins C and E, its nourishing formula will help to smooth out fine lines, reduce enlarged pores and remove excess oil. It will create the perfect base over which to apply your foundation, bronzer and highlighter. Plus it will keep your makeup looking fresh and dewy all day long. Now this is a full size, so 30 millilitres of full size for £25. So the box was £25 and this is £25. So everything else in the box is free, which is going to be such a good deal. I can't wait to see what else we have. So that is the first product. Very impressed, very happy with it. And I can't wait to start using it again. So for the next product, we have Skin Longevity Vital Power Serum. I've actually had 2 of these before from advent calendars last year and I have actually used it. It does feel nice on the skin. I gave one to my mum and then one for me. This serum is supposed to empower, replenish, renew and fortify. So it promotes skin vitality infused with moisture. It reawakens the look of youth and it enhances skin resilience. After cleansing, apply 2 pumps over the entire face and neck. Use morning and night. There's no really other information about it except from it's a 7.5 milliliter little bottle. I'll just show you the bottle now. It's the same size what I had from the advent calendars and it's just like another squeezy top bottle. And this is more of like a cloudy white serum, a little bit clear but then a little bit whitey cloudy. It's got a really nice smell. You don't need a lot for it to go a long way. So that feels really nice absorbing into the skin. Okay, so Skin Longevity Vital Power Serum. Introducing the secret to younger and healthier looking skin. Formulated with Japanese long life herb extract, this serum will help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It will also nourish and hydrate your skin, making your complexion softer and smoother and more glowy. Simply apply 2 pumps onto your cleansed skin and neck every morning and night. Your skin will look more youthful and radiant with each use. Now this is a deluxe mini unfortunately and it is worth £7.20 and a full size of 50 millilitres is £48. Wow, that is a lot of money, so it must actually work. When I used it before, my skin did feel hydrated. I didn't notice anything in appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, but my skin did feel more hydrated than before. So that is the second product. So for the next product, we have a bronzer. Now I've never tried any bronzers from Bareminerals, I think except from a loose powdered bronzer. And this is the Endless Summer Bronzer in the shade Warmth. So it's in the shade Warmth. It doesn't look too much of a dark shade or an orange shade, but we'll see in a minute. This has 3.8 grams of product in. Clean without compromise, full of sun-kissed glow, free of fake looking colour. I didn't know people can fake colours. Clean mineral based powder bronzer, instant natural looking tan. Gradual glow complex helps build a bronze glow over time. Blurs the look of pores for a photo ready finish. So here's the packaging for the bronzer. It's very sleek and black and there's nothing else really on it, so I'm just going to show you the shade. That's not a bad shade or a bad size to be in a box like this. I'm just going to swatch it now. So there's the shade Warmth. That's not a bad shade. I like it. I'm going to apply the bronzer onto my face. I have already got a little bit of bronzer on, but I'm just going to top it up with this one. The bronzer looks very glowy on my skin. I look very much bronzed at the moment. Okay, so the Endless Summer Bronzer. This newly launched matte bronzing powder will help you to reclaim your summer glow. So it's new. Probably why I haven't seen it, because it is new. Formulated with Bareminerals Gradual Glow Complex, it instantly creates a natural warmth, while also building a sun-kissed glow over time. Better yet, this bronzer also reduces the appearance of both pores and imperfections. For a smooth looking complexion and long-lasting radiance, apply the powder anywhere the sun naturally hits your face. Think forehead, nose, skin and chin. So this is obviously a Deluxe mini, unfortunately, and it's worth £9.90. A full size of 10 grams is £26. So not a bad price for the full size. So apparently it gets better over time. I don't know about reducing the appearance of both pores and imperfections. I wouldn't put it in the areas where my pores and imperfections are. But so for the fourth product we have Lashtopia, and it's a mega volume mineral based mascara. I don't think I've actually tried Bareminerals mascara. I have gotten some again in advent calendars, but I've been giving them to my mum because mum loves Bareminerals. Does seem interesting, but I do love to stay with ones that I know that works. And then sometimes I'm very reluctant to try new ones, which I do need to try new ones all the time because obviously new brands keep bringing out new products. So yeah, so this is the Lashtopia Dream Lashes Real Volume and Lift. There's really not much else about it, just about the magic wand brush. It's tapered peak, fans out lashes from root to tip. Soft staggered bristles evenly coat each lash. So here's the packaging for the mascara. It's a really nice goldy silver shade. And let's have a look at the wand. The mascara wand isn't actually that bad. It looks like a decent wand. The shade is Ultimate Black. So the brush does look quite thick and the bristles look like they're quite together, so they'll get every single lash to coat them with. I'm not going to promise that I'm going to try it out, but if I don't try it out, then it will obviously go to someone else and they can have fun with it and try it out themselves. Okay, so the Lashtopia Mega Volume Mineral Based Mascara. When you've achieved your goddess-worthy glow, all you need is longer and fuller lashes to finish off the look. Luckily, this mascara boosts a weightless, mousse-like formula that doesn't smudge, clump or flake. Instead, its nourishing minerals and moisturizing ingredients lift your lashes, fan them out and add incredible volume. Better yet, the large brush features 600 soft bristles that coat every lash, as well as a tapered end that adds definition. This is a Deluxe mini, which is quite a big mini, for £11.40, or the full size, which is 12 millilitres, for £21. So the mini has 6.5 millilitres and the full size is 12, so double the size of this is a full size. So that is the fourth product. For the last product we have BAREPRO Glow, and it's a highlighter, and this is in the shade Free. Luminous, Lifting, Lasting. This is a 14 millilitre bottle, I'm guessing. So for Luminous, it says bi-phase highlighter with light reflecting pearls provide an effortless glow. For Lifting, it says oat sugar protein helps to give skin an immediate lifted effect. I didn't know that. And for Lasting, it says it wears up to 16 hours. Use alone or mix into foundation. This is oil free as well, so you can put it on top of your foundation and not worry that it's taking your foundation away. Let me open it up and see what the shade is like. So here's the packaging of the bottle. It's like a frosted glass and a matte black top. Stunning packaging, I love it. I am going to mix it up and shake it because inside it looks very watery, and I'm going to see if the ingredients or the product combines together. It is a watery, obviously, liquid highlighter. That's better. So it is congealed back together. You are supposed to shake it before use anyway. So again, the bottle has a pump. I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand and see what the shade is. I'm not sure what the shade is going to be like, so I'm excited to find out. Oh. So that's the shade of the highlighter. It's like an orangey gold shade. Obviously, I'm not going to put that much on my face, but there's a lot of different reflex in there. Gold, silver, like pearly in there. I might put a little bit on my face. I don't know if it might be a bit too dark for me. It might be better to just go over bronzer, really. So the tinge of gold does show up on my skin, but once it's all blended in, I don't think you can really tell that much. When it catches the light, obviously you can tell there's sort of like a pearly in there, as you can see. But I don't think it catches like the gold against my quite pale skin. So that's the highlighter. I think the other highlighter was more of a darker shade, so I'm glad this was the only one left that I could get, as I don't think the other one would be too good for me. Okay, so the BAREPRO Glow Highlighter Drops. Boosting light reflecting mineral pearls, these highlighter drops will give you the best glow of your life. Start by shaking the bottle well, then dot the drops directly onto the high points of your face. Think cheekbones, brow bones and Cupid's bow, to create an intense radiance. Alternatively, you can also mix one pump into your foundation or moisturizer and blend them into your skin for a lit from within glow. Now this is a full size for £23. So we've had two full sizes, one that was 25 and one that was 23. So that is £48 of products for full sizes, not including all the Deluxe minis. So that is well worth the money that I paid for this box, and I basically paid for one product and got the rest free. So really impressed and happy about that. So that's everything in this limited edition box. I am impressed with every single one of these. I can see myself using these. I can see myself using the primer, definitely. The bronzer, I am actually loving the bronzer. It's really nice and glowy. The Skin Longevity Vital Power, I have used it before and I did actually like it, so I will start using that again. The mascara, I'm going to have to see about. Like I said, I don't really like trying new ones. I like the ones that I like, that I know that work. But the brush on this mascara did look really nice. It reminded me of the Urban Decay Perversion, I want to say, the mascara Perversion. Nice and thick, and the bristles as well. So maybe I might give it a try, and it might be a little bit like the Urban Decay Perversion, because that was my favourite for years. So maybe I'll give it a little whirl and see what it's like. Don't know, but might do. So before I end this video, I just want to say Bareminerals has released another advent calendar this year, and I have actually brought it, and I will be doing an unboxing video, so stay tuned for that video. Obviously, if you're not subscribed, then please subscribe and look out for the video. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't, please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, ding ding. Also come and follow me on my Instagram. It's grammar somewhere down here, and it's also linked in my description box for you guys to go and check that out. So until next time, thanks for watching. Bye guys.